Hey everyone! Looking for the best gas range to make your cooking more powerful and precise? You've landed in the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing gas ranges of the year, considering burner performance, oven capacity, temperature control, design and durability, and ease of cleaning. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Let's get started. Starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Rangair 30-inch gas range. This is the Rangair RRG303GS, a premium 30-inch gas range designed for serious cooking versatility. It features glass touch controls with multiple cooking modes, including air fry, keep warm, and a built-in meat probe for precision. The true air convection oven ensures even heat distribution, delivering crispy crusts and juicy centers every time. For stovetop power, it includes a Flamaster 21,000 BTU dual-ring burner and a PowerFlame 18,000 BTU burner, both offering rapid, controlled heat for searing and stir-frying. The oven also includes a self-cleaning mode, which incinerates residue into ash. Just wipe and go. With a 5.0 cubic feet capacity, it's spacious enough for large meals, and the polished stainless steel finish adds a sleek, modern touch. Whether baking, roasting, or boiling, this freestanding slide-in range combines performance, style, and convenience in one powerful package. Number 4. Cosmo COS 965 AGFC gas range. Meet the Cosmo COS 965 AGFC, a 36-inch professional-style gas range built for serious cooking. It features 5 sealed burners, including a powerful 17,400 BTU triple-ring burner, plus 8,200, 6,900, and 5,000 BTU options for everything from searing to simmering. The 3.8 cubic feet convection oven offers 5 cooking functions: bake, roast, broil, fan convection, and light, with a 14,000 BTU bake burner and 5,800 BTU broil burner for even, efficient results. Safety is built in with push-and-turn ignition knobs and cooling ventilation. Part of the Nebula collection, it's crafted from 403-grade stainless steel, with heavy-duty cast iron grates and a fingerprint-resistant finish that wipes clean easily. Whether you're boiling, baking, or broiling, this freestanding range delivers performance and style in one sleek package. Number 3. Kenmore Front Control Gas Range. This is the Kenmore 4.8 CF Gas Front Control Range, a sleek, stainless steel powerhouse built for everyday cooking. It features 5 cooktop burners, including an 18,000 BTU turbo boil burner for fast boiling and stir-frying. The front control design makes operation intuitive, with easy-to-use controls offering delay start, keep warm, broil, self-clean, and steam clean modes. Inside, the true convection oven uses a fan and third heating element to surround food with hot air, delivering crispy, caramelized exteriors and tender centers. Plus, the air fry option lets me enjoy fried favorites without the oil or mess. With 2 oven racks, a bright halogen light, and a storage drawer, this freestanding range is as functional as it is stylish. Whether I'm roasting, simmering, or sautéing, this range gives me the flexibility and control I need to cook with confidence. Number 2. Forno Lazio Gas Range. This is the Forno Lazio 30-inch gas range, a professional-grade powerhouse built for performance and style. It features 5 Italian Difendi burners, including a 19,000 BTU dual-ring burner and auto flame reignition for precise control. The black matte cast iron grates and reversible griddle offer flexibility, while the black enamel surface plate makes cleanup easy. Inside, the 4.32 cubic feet convection oven includes 2 electroplated racks, 3-layer glass door, and halogen lighting for clear visibility. With a 10,000 BTU broiler and 16,000 BTU bottom element, it delivers powerful, even cooking. Built from 430-grade stainless steel, it features smudge resistance, soft closed doors, and adjustable legs for a seamless fit. The set includes an air fryer basket, LP conversion kit, and cast iron accessories, making this range a complete cooking solution. Whether boiling, baking, or broiling, this unit is ready for anything. Number 1. Rangair 24-inch gas range. This is the Rangair RRG241TS, a compact yet powerful 24-inch freestanding gas range designed for precision and convenience. It features 4 clean seal gas burners, including an 18,000 BTU PowerFlame dual-ring burner that delivers fast, even heat for searing and stir-frying. The perfect cook timer lets me set exact cooking times, automatically shutting off the oven when done to prevent overcooking. Inside, the air-cook convection mode circulates hot air evenly, eliminating cold spots and ensuring consistent results. The easy-reach rack slides out smoothly, making it easy to access dishes at the back without straining. With a 3.0 cubic feet oven capacity, sleek stainless steel finish, and a built-in storage drawer. This slide-in range is ideal for smaller kitchens that demand full functionality. Whether I'm baking, roasting, or boiling, this unit gives me the control and performance I need, all in a space-saving footprint. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.